Yeah, man, it's a chill day, a calm vibe. Yeah, this is Herbalawes, and you are in the Herbalawes garden. Yeah, man, and today, in my Jamaican logo cup, yeah, man, with the red, green, and gold, I'm on sipping, guess, in a garden where every leaf have a message. What's the message today? Yeah, man, today I'm sipping Rosemary. Yeah, man. Yeah, the one that allows me to remember everything that I forget. It give me that calm vibe, the chill vibe. Yeah, man. Mm. So let's talk about rosemary today. Yeah, man. And if you are new here, welcome. Yeah, man. And as long as you're here, you become an extended family. Yeah, man. In this herb garden, herbal laws. So I make sure tell you when I'm a cup before you all ask. Yeah, man. So I sip rosemary out of my Jamaican logo cup. Yeah. Them tea are not just bush tea. Them tea these are roots in a liquid form. Yes, I. Yeah, man. Them tea will make you remember everything. As when we grew up, one would say that you have elephant brain. Yeah, man. But rosemary brain is more powerful. Remember everything. Yeah. No secret hidden from you or I. Rosemary for I. Sipping in Herbalawes garden. Is a tea where my granny love. Steaming hot. Yeah, man, my one not steaming hot today. But it's still cool down my brain. After a day of working and using the brain. Yeah, up to capacity. Rosemary cool down the brain. Calm it down. Allow me to be relaxed. Yeah, and wind down. Yeah, that hectic day. Yeah, what do you do to wind down when you have an hectic day? Yeah, man, a tea like rosemary. Calm you down. Sight? So rosemary cool down the spirit and make you remember who you be. Yeah, man, this cup carry more than tea. It carry tradition and me carry it with honor. Me not drink for hype. Me sip for real and me sip for heal. I want the sound rhyme a while ago. But me see make you see my face when me say that. Yeah, man, I have to turn around the camera for that one. Yeah. Me not sip for hype, but for real. Yeah. And that's to heal. Rosemary. Yeah, man. In Herbalawes garden, every leaf carry a message. Yeah? And the rosemary leaf, yeah, such a nice aroma. Every leaf carry a message and a lesson. Yeah, man, and Rosemary. Yeah, she teaches memory, memory. Remind me that I am here. I am here now. I am present. Yeah, man. I am not just in the physical, but I'm here present. I'm connected to you so that you can connect to me. Yeah, man, and I'm connected to source. I'm connected to nature. And I'm connected to everything in my garden. Yeah, that's rosemary. Each sip I take of this plant brings back what I forget. Yeah, man. It allows me to breathe freely. Yeah, man. It reminds me of the things, my ancestors have written. Word, sound, seal. Yeah. Yeah, man, that ancestral rhythm. It bring back the vibe, Rosemary. Rosemary plant bring calm vibe, a sharp mind, and an ancient rhythm. Yeah. Just to even smell the plant. Yeah. It bring, a levitating vibe. Yeah. Rosemary. Yeah, man, in the Herbalawes garden is a space where I and I don't rush. Yeah? And also sipping the rosemary tea also remind me not to rush. Yeah. It's like going nowhere. I'm right here and now. Fully present. Fully present. Not presence. Yeah, man. The rosemary is already a present. But I am fully present. No rush. Going nowhere. Here and now. Because the present moment is what counts. Yeah, man. Sometimes we are sitting, but our brain is skating on the toll. Yeah, we are here, maybe in Portland, and your brain a skate down somewhere down in a Clarendon on a toll road. Yeah, man. Rosemary. Vibe. Calm vibe. Rosemary is one of those plants that it don't love to be overwatered. Yeah? I water it once a day, but not too much water. Yeah? If you see how moist the soil is now, I don't even have to water it this morning. Yeah. I may water it another day. Yeah. So, when overwatered, the root of the plant get rot. Yeah, man. The rosemary tea doesn't only warm the body, it roots the mind. Yeah, man. Rosemary. Other than the benefits of the tea, the rosemary can be steeped in a oil. Whatever base oil you choose, it could be olive oil, it could be also rosemary. That rosemary oil, can give you a nice ear texture. You see how my eye man locks irie and nice? Yeah, man, I man mix up oil them too, you know. Whether the coconut oil. Yeah. Right now I have a mixture of the rosemary and coconut oil. Go and show you it. Let me sip off my tea first. So yeah, we just a talk about other than tea. Yeah? What the rosemary can do. So yeah, I have it in a low good buckle. I wanna promote. Yeah. So if you look in this dropper, yeah, this is coconut oil. And if you look closely, even the rosemary leaves are in it. Yeah? So I just drop it in my hand. Yeah? And I say that's rosemary with coconut oil. And I just, yeah man, give the locks that sheen there. Yeah. Yeah. So I do that daily, you know? Yeah. You see what I talk about? Yeah. So other than drinking the tea to calm down the eye self, yeah man, the rosemary can be steep. Yeah. So I steep it in coconut oil. Yeah. And I have a dropper. It's one of the dropper buckle. So I just squeeze it first and then unlock it. And once I open, there's oil inside of it. And I do the rest. Yeah. Now, the same concept which most people use the coconut oil alone for this, what I'm gonna show you. But I mix mine with the rosemary. So I do the same thing in the dropper. Yeah. And I drop it in my mouth and I switch. So this is one of the, instead of using some of the Listerine that affects you. No, I am not doing a promotion against any Listerine product. But I'm saying that there are people who the Listerine is too harsh for them. Yeah man. The coconut oil, yeah, with the rosemary. Yeah. So you can just pick off a piece and drop it in it and make it steep. Yeah. And I said, I use it. I show you how I use it in my ear. Yeah. How I use it in my ear. Yeah. Yeah. And I show you, you know, it's best to have a dropper in it. So once you drop in it, yeah man, you know, Mm. So you swish your mouth in the morning and in the night time. Yeah. It allows your teeth to feel clean, smooth. Yeah, man. And also, yeah, it helps to prevent any form of gum disease. And it's in the most natural, rootical form. Yeah, man. The coconut oil steep with the rosemary. So we show you sipping in a tea. We show you it for ear. And we show you also for switching the teeth. Yeah, man. So when you go out the road and you talk and you smile, people will say your teeth pretty. Yeah. It's like you use whitening. Yeah. And it make the teeth lightening. So this is Herbalawes. Yeah, man. And as I said earlier, this is the thought for the day. Me no sip for hype. What am I do with my cup? Yeah, man. I'll do it finish. The thought for the day. Me no sip for hype. Me sip for real. And that's to heal. Yeah, man. Rosemary. Yeah. Bring back every memory. Everything that you forget. Yeah. Them say it give elephant brain. But this is rosemary brain. It good for the ear. Yeah. How me a rhyme, so? Yeah, them say it give elephant brain. But this is rosemary brain. It good for the ear. It good for also swish the teeth when it's steep with coconut oil. It make your teeth clean, bright, pretty, and make your ear also nice. Rosemary. Word, sound, seal. Herbalawes. If you like the rosemary video and you share it with a friend, yeah, and you subscribe and turn on the post notification, maybe I'll show you or tell you about the powerful properties from the aloe vera plant. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, just like a video for the rosemary. Yeah, tell me what you think about it. And as what me say, me use it in my ear. Me use it for swish my teeth. Me use it in my ear. Yeah? Me use it for swish my teeth. Yeah. And me also sip it. It's not just a tea, but in a roots vibe. Yeah, man. Out.